quick product review about our propane off-grid water heater. This is a 6-liter model. I have a link for this actually in the description. It's an affiliate link. The unit is being used now by us for over 2 years. And the only drawback which I really have with this unit is that the plastic down here where the 2 D batteries go in is falling apart because of the heat here in Florida. But other than that, it's working well. Has a couple of rust spots here, but I keep it outside in a shaded area, so it works very well, and I can highly recommend it. Just make sure it's well covered so that the sunlight doesn't really deteriorate anything. But that's it. Thanks for watching.